How to fix can't connect to 5GHz Wi-Fi on Windows issue. 1. Make sure that you are using the correct password. 2. Power cycle your router. 3. Remove or forget your Wi-Fi network, temporarily. 4. Enable IPv6. 5. Update your Wi-Fi adapter using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Install another version of your Wi-Fi driver, if you can. 7. Set your preferred Wi-Fi band to 5 GHz. 8. Reset your network. Use a dual-band USB Wi-Fi dongle, if you have it. 10. Perform an in-place upgrade in your Windows.